This is just a short video I'm doing as a test. I saw this other photography channel and they were talking about how to mold foil and things around your arms and your face and products and then shoot it using different high shutter speeds and things like that. And I thought, well, this is kind of cool. Let me test this out and see what people think. I'm just going to stick this Rode NT USB Mini up here on this. It's on this little rotating platform and normally it looks like this. It's just a white background. I have it spin around and it looks great. And I was wondering what would happen if I use this foil trick. So I pulled this thing. This is just a piece of foil. And the idea here is you put it back here and I can already see it doing something. What you do is you crumple this thing all up and squeeze it all down because you're going to want these ridges and everything that highlight the lights you're going to be hitting with it. And when you're done crumpling it all down, of course, you can already see that just on the light back here that it's already doing something. So I smooth it all back out just to make sure it's flat and everything else. You don't have to do that. And then I just take this little piece of gaff tape here and just tape it to the back. It's not perfect. This is just a test. Now what I want to do is, that looks pretty good actually. I'm looking at the light back here. Now let's do this. I have this light here. I think this is a ANDYCINE small light or a Feel World small light. I'll link the description to the light below. It's a cheaper light and it does all the different RGB colors. You could use like a aperture, I believe it's those little RGB lights. And I just want to throw some light on here, but I want to change the color. Let's use this reddish pinkish color and see what we get. Now that looks okay. I could dig that. I want to move this thing around a bit, position it. It'd be really cool. Maybe I'll switch it on to that where it oscillates between different RGB values. That doesn't look all that bad actually. Let me turn on the rotating table and see what I got here. That looks okay to me. I think it's a bit overexposed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now drop, since I have the extra light, I'm just going to drop the exposure of this thing down quite a bit and see what we have here. So that looks okay to me now. I would totally use this. I don't know if it's too distracting or if you like the regular shot better. Here's the first shot without any foil or anything behind it. Here's the second shot, now rotating with the different colored lights turning on and off. Let me know in the comments below if you like this or you think it's horrid, or this was a good test or a bad test. You never want to see something like that on the screen ever again for the rest of eternity. Anyway, little DIY put together foil thing I got an idea from, and I thought I would run it by you. It may prompt some extra ideas for you. You may like it or you may not. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll guess I'll see you next time. And that's a truck outside making noise while I'm trying to film, and good get audio, and I love it.